old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of...
Just like this, winter is here. The month of January being the coldest of all winter months. With the change of season, everything around changes. Warm colors of fall have turned to the cold winter color, white. Nature doesn't wait, so shouldn't we?
For old lang syne.
A delicate cup of tea or a mug of hot black coffee? Which is your pick? Winter calls for both, isn't it? I am refilling the loose tea leaves that we bought from a local store, along with some matcha tea bags in the other jar. Coffee is no behind. It gets a place in the third one too. What are the things you do that make your home cozy in winters?
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more. I'm sure it'll take a while 'cause I'm still...
Sweet potato is a winter food. It occurred to me, if I need to enjoy this season, I need to enjoy things related with it. Roasted sweet potato with a drizzle of lemon and sprinkle of chaat masala makes winter a happy season. What do you associate with this season? Over time, I have learned to enjoy this season as well. It definitely took some time, but adapting and appreciating the beauty of each season makes me realize how beautiful every aspect of nature can be. I also realized that if we had no winter, the spring would not be so pleasant. On the same note, if there was no adversity sometimes, we wouldn't enjoy prosperity as much.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway.
We cannot stop the winter or the summer from coming. We cannot stop the spring or the fall or make them other than they are. They are gifts from the universe that we cannot refuse. But we can choose what we will contribute to life when each arrives.
When you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now. Ooh, when you're gone, can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah.
My takeaway from this time of the year has been that winter is the time for comfort, for good food and warmth, for the touch of a friendly hand, and for a talk beside the fire. It is time for home.